How to safely convert Bitcoin to cash on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your home section of Cash App by clicking on the bottom left hand side corner, and over here you can see the option of Bitcoin. Simply click on it. And since I don't have Bitcoin in my account, but for you, if you have the Bitcoin in your account, it will show different options like buy, sell or send. You can simply select the option of sell in order to sell the Bitcoin at the current market price, and the amount will come into your Cash App. And this way you can utilize that USD or convert the Bitcoin to cash. In case if you want to request Bitcoin from some other person, simply click on this option of USD, then select the option of Bitcoin, and after that you can request the Bitcoin from some other person as well. After that you can convert that particular Bitcoin by selling it, and this way you will get the cash in your Cash App. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.